Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain what a turkey cluck sounds like. The cluck is a common, short, and somewhat abrupt sound that turkeys make. It's a fundamental part of their communication, often used to signal contentment or to keep the flock together. Hens frequently use a soft cluck to gather their young, ensuring everyone stays close and accounted for. It's a very natural and reassuring sound within a turkey group. While the cluck is common, turkeys have a rich vocabulary. The iconic gobble, usually from a tom, is a loud mating call. Hens and poults often make yelps, which are a series of calls to locate each other. You might also hear a soft purr, a sign of contentment, especially when they are feeding or roosting. Each sound carries a specific message within their social structure. Turkeys vocalize for many reasons, primarily for communication. They use different calls to signal their presence, warn of danger, or express their mood. For instance, a sharp alarm putt can alert the entire flock to a predator. During breeding season, toms use their impressive gobble to attract hens, showcasing their fitness. It's a complex system vital for their survival and social interactions. To truly appreciate the diverse sounds of turkeys, try listening in their natural habitat, especially during early morning or late afternoon. Many online platforms also offer excellent recordings, allowing you to easily distinguish between a cluck, a gobble, or a purr. Understanding these unique calls significantly enhances your appreciation for these fascinating birds and their complex communication. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.